Hey there, English learners! Do you want to speak English confidently in your daily life, at home, with friends, or family?
Then stay with us. Today, we'll show you easy and useful English sentences you can use every single day.
Sometimes we learn big grammar rules, but we forget the simple sentences that people use every day, like "What's up?" or "I'm coming."
Exactly. Today, we'll teach you daily English sentences you can use at home for morning, meals, chatting, and relaxing.
We'll keep it super easy, fun, and natural, so you can start speaking right after this video. Good morning, John. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Susan. Yeah, I slept okay. You?
Pretty good. I woke up early today. I'm trying to start my day with some stretching.
Nice. You're being healthy. I usually just grab my phone first thing in the morning.
Bad habit. You should try to move a little before checking your phone.
Yeah. I'll try tomorrow.
Let's teach our friends some morning English sentences.
Good idea. Here are a few. Good morning. Did you sleep well? I'm still sleepy. Time to get up. I'll make some coffee.
Yes, and my favorite, 5 more minutes, please.
Everyone says that.
Oh, and a pronunciation note. The word coffee is pronounced coffee, not coffee.
Right. And the phrase get up means to leave your bed. It's different from wake up, which means open your eyes.
Example, I woke up at 7, but I got up at 7:30.
Perfect. Let's move to breakfast time.
Okay, breakfast time. John, what do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs. Sometimes I drink orange juice.
That's healthy. I like saying these sentences in the morning. Breakfast is ready. I'm hungry. Can you pass the salt? Do you want tea or coffee? I'll make some pancakes.
Yum. My favorite one. I'll make some pancakes.
And if you're asking politely, you can say, could you please pass me the sugar? That could you please makes your English sound so polite and natural.
Yes. Always add please when asking for something.
Another pronunciation note, breakfast is said as breakfast, not break fast.
Good one. Okay, now we're done eating. Let's move to after breakfast.
After breakfast, I usually clean the kitchen and get ready for work.
Same. And here are some sentences for that time. I need to wash the dishes. Let's clean up. Where's my bag? I'm getting late. Hurry up.
Hurry up. I say that every morning to my kids.
And here's a small grammar tip. We say, I'm getting late, not I'm being late. Get shows the process of becoming late.
Nice one. And before leaving home, we often say, I'm leaving now. Take care. See you later. Don't forget your keys.
Oh, yes. Don't forget your phone. 2.
That's me every morning.
Okay, Susan. Let's imagine it's afternoon and we're at home again.
Great. Maybe it's lunchtime.
Right. So, we can say, what's for lunch? Let's eat together. I'm starving means very hungry. The food smells great. Can you set the table?
And after eating, we can say, that was delicious. I'm full. Let's take a short nap.
I like that last one. And here's a note. Nap means a short sleep, usually during the day.
Right. It's very common in daily English. I'll take a nap or I need a nap.
Now, let's move to talking with your family or roommates.
Yes, for example, when you want to check what someone's doing, what are you doing? I'm watching TV. Come here for a second. Wait a minute. I'm coming.
And sometimes when you're busy, you can say, I'm on the phone. Give me a minute. Can we talk later?
That's so useful. And a quick grammar note. We often use present continuous, I'm doing, I'm coming, for things happening right now.
Exactly. It's the most common form in daily English.
Okay, evening time. The day is almost over.
Finally, let's teach some evening sentences.
Here are a few I say at home. Let's watch a movie. I'm tired. Turn off the lights. Dinner's ready. Come eat.
And after dinner, maybe, that was good. I'll do the dishes. Let's go for a walk. I need some rest.
Oh, and don't forget bedtime sentences.
Right. At night, you can say, I'm going to bed. Good night. Sleep well. See you in the morning.
So sweet. English can be simple and beautiful when you use it naturally every day.
Exactly. Don't worry about long sentences. Short ones are perfect for daily use.
John, can you please help me with the laundry?
Sure. Where's the basket?
It's next to the washing machine.
Okay. I'll start it in 5 minutes.
Thanks. And after that, let's watch a show.
Sounds good. What do you want to watch?
Something funny. I had a long day.
All right. I'll make some popcorn. Popcorn.
Yay, you're the best.
I know.
This is how you use English naturally. Short, simple, friendly sentences that make your daily life easier.
Now it's your turn to practice. Repeat after us. Speak out loud.
Ready? Let's go. Say, good morning. Say, I'm hungry. Say, can you help me? Say, I'm coming. Say, let's watch a movie. Say, I'm tired. Say, good night. Say, see you tomorrow.
Great job. The more you repeat, the faster you'll sound natural.
Try using at least 3 of these sentences today at home, maybe with your family or friends. That's all for today's lesson. Daily use. English sentences for beginners. Star.
We hope you start using these phrases every day, from morning to night.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Your English Friend, and comment below with your favorite daily English sentence.
See you in the next video. And remember,
Keep learning, keep smiling.